Okay, hopefully this works, because I don't want to, like, flip out. Okay, so, I'm Mel. This is my YouTube channel. And, basically, there's nothing really to know about me. Except that I'm a teenager. And I have friends. And I like expressing my views on certain topics, but other topics I like to keep quiet because I don't like to start fights in those kind of topics. So, yes, this is my first video, number one. I kind of, not technically, because I used to have a channel with my friend Stacia, but I decided that I was going to use my own, so it's my first solo vlog. Sorry. Okay, so 2 topics. Not really, just one. But there's a second surprise. Okay. First off, town or village? Town. If you live in a town, then you have a subway. If you live in a village, you don't have a subway, but you have a Family Dollar. Now, ponder over whether you have either or, and maybe you'll see that maybe you live in a village more than you live in a town. Doesn't matter how many people live in said area that you live in, it just matters what kind of store is there. And now, a beautiful song. This is number 2 by my friend Andrew. Hold on. Alright. I'm a white kid, but I still dress black, so you motherfucking haters can suck my sack. And that, my friends, is the Wiggers song by Andrew Davis. Kudos. Alright, that's gonna be my new thing. It's not technically original, but kudos. Alright, so I'm gonna end this vlog, and I'm gonna record another one, because I'm so